Everybody, it's ET. Alright, today we're gonna try to make a heartbeat. So we have kind of a telnet client, and we also made a game loop or a timer update loop. So the next thing we're gonna work on is trying to use that game loop to make a heartbeat, so that every like 5 seconds, the server just sends a heartbeat packet. Alright, so that is my plan. I really got to fix that Wi-Fi thing down there. Okay, but anyway, let's get started. So I see there's no music, so let me go ahead and grab that. Music. Nice. Alright, onwards. So let's see what I've done here. If I just play this without doing anything. I think every 5 seconds, it'll say 5 seconds have passed. And that's a server. Alright, cool. And then another 5 seconds have passed. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds have passed. Cool. Alright, so that's great. We've built a loop in just plain old C# console. What I want to do next is I'm gonna just do a quick fix on here. I saw something pretty cool. Basically, there's a site somewhere, somehow. What's this site? Is this Google Sites? Okay, if I look at my history, maybe it's there. Like fix your game loop. C# maybe? No, I don't think it's C#. Fix your time step. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And just right quick, I'm going to show the pictures that he put up. That wasn't the one I thought. Aw, man. I might have to get my phone, because I was looking at it on my phone. Phone. Let's see. I have it. I know I have it. I was just looking at it. I lost it, didn't I? Lost it forever. I mean, this is it. Game timers. Alright. Something to do with like Fabian or something. Fabian. I searched for that. Yeah, okay, this is what I was talking about. Right, so our game loop kind of happens, but it's not really going to be a set exact time. It's not going to be like 5 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds. So it's going to be like 0 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, 12 milliseconds, 14 milliseconds. So like sometimes the time slice between update loop is going to be big, and sometimes it's going to be small. So that's no good, right? Especially if you're doing if you're recording a game and you're trying to replay it, and then when you're at this frame, like if you're here at the time, like what do you show on the screen? So basically, I think what they do here is make like a simulated time, where basically it is a fixed step thing, but your timer doesn't have to be fixed step. So it's kind of interesting. So it's basically a double nested loop. So I'm gonna use this. So to use this, I'm gonna put that here, and I really just want to take this out and put this here. Alright, so here we go. So I'm using a stopwatch. And this is what I will do. And here we'll say while true, that's fine. this is what I'm going to do. While, let's get a real time. So we're going to have not int, it's going to be not int. What will real time be? I'll just put var for now. Real time equals stopwatch dot elapsed milliseconds divided by 1000 f. So you're along, and okay, so I'm gonna just make it a float maybe. Could make it a long, but I'm not going to. And then basically I'm just gonna say unscaled time is less than real time. Or we'll just call the stopwatch time. Then we can do all of this. There is one other variable I need here. Private float minimum delta time. Or smallest time slice. Okay. What am I thinking here? So this is what I'm going to do. Unscaled time is going to plus equals minimum smallest time slice. Yeah, that sounds good. So we have unscaled time plus equals smallest time slice. And so what that does for us here is it takes out some math and it makes this constant. So this is always going to be smallest time slice. Okay. And then, yep, we have time and delta time. Fixed delta timer. Yep. And that can continue to happen. And then this can still happen. I think I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to just have this other fixed delta timer. So this is what I'm going to do. Just for now, smallest time slice equals 5 divided by 1000, Or 3. How about 3 milliseconds? I think that'll be good. So now we have this double while loop. So you have this while loop and this while loop. And I think that will do it. Hopefully. Let's see. I'm just gonna play this and just see what happens. Alright, so I know 5 seconds is a long time. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man, nothing is happening. I feel like maybe I'm doing something wrong then. Alright, since nothing is happening, this while loop's not exactly working. I mean, that was very good. So unscale time should be 0. Stopwatch time I better put this up here. Okay, I just want to make sure that's right. So smallest time slice. I want to make sure this is like an F somehow. 3F divided by 1000F. Why not? And that is a float, smallest. Okay. Stopwatch time, unscale time. Unscale time and stopwatch time should start about 0. And then you're going to go up some. Then you should at least run once. And then you should just say plus equals smallest time slice, alright? Yep, yep. Interesting, interesting. That should work. I'm still kind of confused why it's not. So maybe it was my 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty. That's spot on. Man, I'd really like something a little more. Not 2, maybe even just 1 millisecond. What would that do? 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me something. It's gonna be 5.00082 each time. All right. What does unscale time start off as? Or this? This should be just a simple 0.001, right? Like this. It's 1 millisecond. Alright. So stopwatch time. Whoa. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much more time on this. No more than 5 more minutes. Alright. Stopwatch elapsed time divided by 1000. That's okay. So while unscale time is less than stopwatch time. So if I look at time, what does unscale time starts at 0. And unscale time's a float, right? Unscale time is definitely a static float that's at 0. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Alright, program, what are you doing? You're just saying timer is time.delta time. And time scale is 1. Delta time should be... Yeah, delta time. Sorry, just looking. Time.delta time. You'll be equal to 5 for sure at some point. Alright, one more time, let's look at this. Alright, so smallest time slice. Smallest time slice is 0.001f. So, time, delta time, on update, on draw, fixed delta timer. Alright, so... But what about unscale time is what I want to know. Static members. Unscale time right now is at 1. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, 5. Why did that happen? That's what I gotta figure out. What happened there? Something to do with fixed delta time, perhaps? I don't think I'm even using that, though. Why does this change and this change? That's what I'm trying to figure out. So, okay. If I take all this code out, stopwatch is only to let me know what time we're at, but it's not really to do anything else. It's no problem. Static members. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just plugged in a device into the jack, did I? I don't remember doing that. I gotta fix that problem. Alright, unscaled time. What is time slice? 0.001. That hasn't changed. Why? Why are you doing this to me? At least it's consistent. So like right at 5 it's happening, right? So right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and look, I'm gonna walk it. So right there. Why? Why did that happen? .001 plus .001 plus .001 does not equal what this is. I mean, it's very close to what I want it to be. It's just it's not quite there. So if I don't use, what if I just said 0.001F? What would you do? I'm just curious if I use the actual number there. Would it still do the same thing? Um, I'm just gonna say why? Why would you do that? Why does it change? Why does it go up higher? Like I'm just saying unscale time plus equals 0.001F and then it like comes up with this crazy number. And I don't understand. Alright, time to go a different route here. Let's just say we're in milliseconds. And I'm not gonna divide anything. I'm just gonna say give me the milliseconds. So now we're just gonna add one whole number. Okay. So we're now in milliseconds. I'm just adding one. No decimal points necessary. Oh, I don't know. Alright, so that totally worked. So I really don't know why. Stupid game loop. Hey, what's up, Bam Boy? Just trying to make a game loop outside of Unity in C#. So for some reason, if I add 1, it's no problem. But if I add 0.001F, then we're like, whoa, big deal. Don't do that. So I'm not exactly sure what to do here. Should I do everything in milliseconds then? Should I just accept the small error? I'm gonna just accept the small error. Why not? Smallest time slice. I think so. I think I gotta just accept it. There's no Alright, there's no reason why I can't accept it. So I'm gonna just play this. Every 5 seconds I should get something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's not doing the rounding thing now. Oh, it's driving me crazy. Alright, I'm happy though. It works. Alright, and I'm gonna leave the timer alone. Spent way too much time on it this episode. It's not even about this. Let's go back. So we gotta send a packet, right? So that's the reason I have this 5-second timer kind of going. So with this 5-second timer, it's gonna send a heartbeat command. Now, how am I gonna receive a heartbeat command? I'm not quite sure, but we'll figure it out. I'll try to do it in telnet server. So when we receive data, we're gonna say, hey, if you're this data, yeah, let me figure out how this works, and then maybe I can do a heartbeat command. So when we receive data, we are going to put the data into this data array. Say bytes transferred. If you're this I think this is a carry return new line. Then command issued. Alright, let's figure out where this command issue is being placed. So right now it's making it blank, making it blank. Alright, so if it's not this, what's this? New line, or this new line, I think it's just two different kind of new lines, then we're going to do these things. Alright, so if it's a remove character, what are we going to do? We're just going to subtract one off. Okay, so that makes sense. Else you will do nothing. So, okay. If it's remove character and the command issue length is greater than 0. Right, so basically if we have a command so far and it's greater than 0, cool. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. I think my connection's okay. Um, how's this? Am I moving smoothly or choppily? I don't know, man. Okay. So what else am I looking at? Sorry, I'm just looking at this stuff just so I understand what's going on. If data is a delete character, do some stuff. Else, it's any other character, just start adding it to command issued. Okay, cool. So this is actually equipped to handle you typing in one character at a time or sending whole strings at a time. So that's pretty cool. Nice little implementation of the server. But I need to make one certain key or one certain uh, one certain byte to say heartbeat. So I might have to even make like a whole new server, but I won't worry about doing that yet. I'll just jump on top of this telnet server for now. But I will copy it and start making a new one. So we'll just say Control C, copy. Can I paste it? Paste it just right here anyway. Paste. And so instead of telnet server, let's just make this a command server. So all I did so far was just copy the telnet server, so I didn't do anything awesome yet. So we're going to name this a command server. It's going to look just like the telnet server, except one little thing. The first byte that you get will determine what kind of command it is. So how should I explain this? So like the first byte will determine type of command. So one will be a heartbeat. Well, okay, let's start from 0. 0 will be null. 1 will be a heartbeat command. 2 will be a telnet command? Like a regular telnet command. For now. Fanboy. Personal, man. This is going to be just a server I can use for Unity that doesn't need Unity to run. So it's going to have like a game loop, and all the logic will live there, and Unity will just render what I have on my server. So this is all personal game engine for me, basically, but kind of based on networking, because I really want my networking to be smooth, solid gameplay. Alright, cool. So let's make this a public enum, and we'll just call this command command type. And so we'll have null, We'll have heartbeat, and we'll have telnet. Telnet's kind of maybe I'll just call it like message or something. But for now, that stuff's renamable. I just need to get it implemented. Alright, alright, alright. So we have client. What is client anyway? It's a telnet client data. Alright, so we have command issued and client state. Ah, so maybe command type needs to live there. So okay, I'm gonna need to make a new kind of client data. So I'm gonna copy this, just like I did the server, and we'll call this command client data. And so I didn't do anything special here. Command yeah, Bamboy, dude. That's exactly right, dude. I want to be able to run this like on Linux and the dedicated server on Linux and Windows or whatever, you know. So I want the dedicated server to be purely C#. No other library necessary, right? So I can use like Mono to compile for Linux and all of that. So that is what I am doing. But, you know, I'm building the server from scratch, and of course, that being the case, there's no standards out the window. So this is going to just be my baby. And it will be a bad baby because there'll be tons of bugs in it. Crap, I lost this. Alright, yeah, let me get that. Did I get it? I don't think I got it. Alright, take that. The command type's going to live here. And this is going to be a public class too. Alright, anyway. So we're going to have command issue like normal, but we're also going to just have a command type. Something like that. Okay. So we have command issued, command type, and client state. Cool. So we're just copying this telnet server. Huh. Yeah, I don't know where to go from here. I think I got to... I think I just gotta go for it, right? So if data 0... Okay, no. If I don't know the command type yet, so if I say client... shoot. And this is no longer telnet client. This is gonna be... I gotta change this everywhere. Hold on one sec. This is going to be a command client data instead of that other one that we're used to. And guess what? We got to do that everywhere. So I might as well just do a find. How do I do replace? Yeah. Find, replace, and just replace each one. Yes. It doesn't like this. Oh yeah, it does. Alright, wait, where do I make this? Alright, yeah, I'm making it here. Get command client data. Sweet. Cool. Alright. So, okay, if I don't know the command type yet, so I say if command type is equal to null, because that's what it should initiate to. I better make sure that is right. So I'll just say equals command type dot null. So if command type null, we don't know what type of command it is. We're going to be waiting for this network to tell us what kind of command it is. So we'll be like if data 0 equals 1. Is it just, oh, if I, let me think. I think I gotta make it the actual ASCII string, right? Because that's what I'll be. No. Because I, the client, in my programming language, will tell it this. Okay, that's fine. So if data is equal to 1, then client.command type is going to equal to, yes, command type dot heartbeat. And then else if data 0 equals 0x02, client.command type equals command client blah 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 telnet. And else, I'm gonna just comment this, else you are trying to do an invalid command. I'm not gonna like crash the server or anything if I get that. I just don't want it to do anything. Alright. So now I know what the command type is. It's either a heartbeat or a telnet command. Just to make it really stupid, I'm gonna say if the command type is no longer equal to 0, we can return. So we're done. We're done doing with what we needed to do now. Yeah, maybe. I think so. Okay, sorry, just thinking. Alright, so that's cool. That makes sense. So if it sends 1, it's a heartbeat. If not, I'm just going to do a whole bunch of if-ends right here. I'll refactor it all later. So if command type equals command client heartbeat, go ahead and send. Can I send something here? Is that okay? Is that, yeah, I'm doing that stuff here. What am I doing? I mean, how do I do it here? All I gotta do is send a byte message. Okay, I can do that. So here we go. I lost my spot. Where's my spot? No. Alright, here we go. We're gonna send the socket. So what's our socket? Client socket. And we're gonna send a byte. And this byte array is just going to have 1. Is that how I do it? Yeah, there we go. I was just trying to do it in one line. So, okay. If I get a heartbeat command, what I'm going to do is basically send 1 back to the client. Yeah, Bamboy. Although, honestly, this episode I probably won't get to help testing. But, dude, yeah, later, I would totally take you up on that. Maybe I'll give you either the server or the client, man, and we'll just see if it works across the internet. The interwebs. Alright. And then I'll just return. Because if you get the heartbeat, all you're going to do is just send the heartbeat back, and don't worry, you don't have to worry about processing all this other stuff. Well, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I think I'm going to return. Alright, so that is if you don't have a command type and you got to do something. Oh. client dot command. What am I doing? Client dot command type equals that crazy thing null. Yeah. So basically, if I get a heartbeat, I'm gonna send a 1, and then I'm gonna be like, okay, next command. So basically, when it's null, you're looking for the next command. And I'm gonna get out of this loop. I'm gonna get out of this command and just wait for another network packet to come in. Okay. Great. That sounds fine and dandy. Now, if you do know the command type and you just happen to be a telnet command, you'll do all this code I have previously. Yep. That's an assignment. That is an equality. Okay. I think that looks fine. Good. Maybe. I need to do the client side now. Alright. Let's go. Where's my telnet client data? No. Where's my telnet client? Is it just called client? Yeah, I think I gotta... Alright, let's, No, please don't delete it permanently. Jeez. Yeah. Okay. Clients. Let's make a command client. You are now a command client. Okay. Command client. Nice. Alright. So this is just how many event args you can do, or basically how many simultaneous things you can do at the same time. He making something that can run a 5v5 PvP game. Yeah, kind of. I mean, I'm just making a server, so it doesn't really mean it's a 5v5 PvP game, but it's definitely something like that. Alright. So my command client here is... I gotta get my footing back. So we have all of this. This is the connect stuff. I'm not really worried about the connect stuff. When I receive something, that's what I want to see. So, crap. You see me here? I don't know what to do. I don't. Oh, is Nightbot MIA? Man, how can I tell him to stay on forever? I don't really know how to do that. He just keeps leaving my channel. He doesn't love me. Nightbot is back in the house, his house. Okay. So whatever I'm doing here, I screwed everything up. So I think I'm gonna make one set of commands for both client and server. I'm not gonna have like a separate set of commands for client and separate set of commands for server. I think it's just gotta live in one big enumeration. So that is what I'm gonna do here. New file. We'll just call this the command list. And the command list is not gonna be a class. It's gonna be a public enum. And then we're just gonna have to populate it. So we'll have null. We'll actually I kind of like the comma in the front. And the reason I like the comma in the front is so that you can just delete the line if you don't like it. So null heartbeat client, or let's like heartbeat send, heartbeat receive. Oh, but Visual Studio does not like the comma in the front. Alright, whatevs, whatevs. I'll do what you want. Telnet. I don't think I need 2 heartbeats. Because you can either send a heartbeat or you can receive a heartbeat, and it doesn't really matter. Alright, let's stick with this command list, but now I'm using this command list for both the server and the client. So, where am I at? Command server. Where's my enumeration? Where did I put it? Here it is. I'm not going to use this enumeration. So it's going to be mad at me. I'm just going to use command list. Command list. And I got to do this in the server too. I totally screwed that up. Show me the errors. I need to know what I'm doing. Command list. Oh, wait. Oh, well, at least that makes it kind of smaller. That's nice. Ba, 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 ba. Nice. All right, getting some songs going there, Bamboy. Can't wait. All right. So here we go. Instead of sending, what did I do? Where am I sending it? Okay, here. If I get a heartbeat, I want to just send it back. So command list dot heartbeat. Will you totally not accept that? What if I said as byte? I'm trying to be lazy here. I really don't want to do what I... Alright, let's just say this. Byte equals... We'll just say byte command equals command list dot heartbeat as a byte. Is that okay? No, that's not okay? Fine. Alright, convert to byte. Command list dot heartbeat. There we go. And then we'll say new byte, and then we just have to say command. There we go. Was that so hard? I definitely need to debug that though. I know what you're complaining about. I have 2 state objects. Let's delete that. How about now? Okay. Yep, I don't ever use you. But you are outside of my scope right now. Alright, so we got command list, command client, command data. Hey, dude, I can't read your name because it's blue. One sec. Naloth. Sorry, man. Gray on blue just doesn't work. Anyway. That's not your fault. That's totally Twitch TV's fault. Ah! Hate this unplug plug thing going on. I've been programming C# for 2 years? 3 years, maybe? And before that, yeah, I've been programming in different languages. So for school, I program in Java. Before this, I programmed in Lua, and I programmed in ActionScript 3. So I've been, like, you know, dabbling. All self-taught, really. Except the Java stuff. The Java stuff I'm learning at school. So there's some pretty cool stuff I'm learning, but it's not sticking in here, though. Wait, how do I steal that song, Bamboy? If I say song request steal song like this, or is it just one word, or just steal song? I totally forgot to steal song, Vanboy. You showed me the other day, dude. Thank you. Woot woot. Thanks. Alright, what's next? I lost my train of thought. Alright, so if I'm receiving something, this is what I gotta do. Let me work on the server a little longer. So I got the heartbeat thing going, but what I need to do is for every one of these sends here, I gotta send two different things. I know what to do! I know what to do. On my server, you'll see that I have, once I find it, wherever that may be. Oh, it just might be on server. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Okay. Right here, I'm going to make another function. We'll call it protected, override, void, send. It's going to use a socket, but it's also going to use a command list, and we'll call it command. And so all this is going to do is convert the command to a byte array. So we can say byte equals byte, command byte equals if I'm going to be even a little more fancier with this, I'll just make the array here. Command packet, I guess I can call it, equals new byte array, and then we'll just say command as bytes. Nope, I did that last time. It's actually the convert to byte command. There we go. And then we say socket. No, we don't have to say socket. We just say send socket command packet. Thank you. Okay, so oh, you're not an override method. Cool. Let's see, anything on the chat? Nope. Cool. Here we go. So now I don't have to do this craziness. All I have to do is say send command. Of course, that's not what I want to do. Send command list dot telnet. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Where am I? What am I doing? Oh yeah, all I gotta do is just say command list dot heartbeat. Cool. That's a little cleaner, right? So if you get a heartbeat command, you're just gonna send the heartbeat command right back. Nice. Whew. That was a lot of just brain talking. Alright, so here we're going to say command list.telnet. And we'll just do that a few times here. So that's telnet, telnet, telnet. Anytime I'm sending something, I just want to make sure I send the telnet command first. So I hope you understand. Basically, every time I send anything, I'm going to send the command first, and then I'm going to send the whatever the data is. Alright, so command client, this is the receiving guy. So on receive, Sorry, thinking. It's gonna be on receive. Whatever about to do, we're gonna do it on receive. Yeah, receive callback. Hmm. There's gonna be work here. There's a lot more work than I want to do. Eventually I'll be working on some games, but not not anytime soon apparently, just because I am totally in technical hell right now. So yeah, games is like this faraway dream. All right. So basically when I receive something, I want to start parsing it right away. So how do I do this? I gotta kind of do the same thing I'm doing with this crazy command list. No, this command client. No, it's command server data, I guess. Yep, I gotta make some kind of class or do something crazy. Just my mind's not there. I was on such a roll though, like I almost had this going, but my mind could put it. I'm still gonna try. I'm gonna try my best right here, even if we gotta just fluff it. Bamboy says just use Photon. I don't know if they have support for dedicated standalone servers unless you're just doing just for the challenge. It's always for the challenge, man. Yeah, no, I want something clean, something I understand completely, and that's why it's gonna take me a million years to ever make even one game. But I don't know. It's like I have fun learning too. So it's like it's part of the journey, you know, to make this system. So anyway, I'm gonna do it. Public class. We'll just call this server command data. Alright, so we have the server command data. It's going to be very similar to this guy. I don't care if you're logged in or not. I don't care about any of that. I just care about command type and command issued. Okay. So public command list command type. It's going to start off as, of course, null. And then I think it's just command issued, and I think it just started as an empty string. Okay, cool. So something like that. Okay, so we have this server command data. So I'm just kind of emulating what the server does back to the client. All right, let's go even further. We don't have to even go further. Alright, so when I do receive, I make a new state object. Let's move this out of here. State object should be its own file. All of this should be its own file. Alright, so new item, state object. Sorry, just cleaning up. Not doing anything groundbreaking. So that's the state object, and I'm just gonna make another file. Server command data. Man, this project's getting messy quick. All right. Server command data. State object. Socket. Start using net socket.net.sockets. Okay. All right. Norline. What's your name? Naloth, dude. Sorry, man. It's totally my fault just because I can't read it. Do you run what you have to check if it works, or are you not that far yet? So if I play this, I can run the telnet server. So if you look in here, I have my telnet server, my telnet client. So if I just hit, if there's no errors, which I don't think there is right now. 1, 2. I think I just ran 2 instances, but I know it's loading. It's building everything. So here's one instance. Here's another instance. Alright, so just to show you what I got so far, Noloth. I have 2 windows. I haven't done anything yet, and then there's this crazy thing running in the background that says whether 5 seconds have passed. Totally my crazy thing. But anyway, server. I just hit 1 enter, and I'm starting a server. Here, I'm going to start a client. So here's 2. Cool, so I have a telnet client. And so it's saying enter a password. So I'm like, hi. That's not a password. Hey, that's not the password. And then I type in 1337. That is the password. And then it says you logged in successfully. And you can see all the debug information here on the telnet client. So I just enter a few times. I'm sending nothing, and that's okay. But then if I send in test, it says hello there, and that's great. And then if I type in something else like get wrecked, I think, it doesn't give you anything, and that's cool. And then you type other stuff. So it totally works. And then it also even works with other clients. So like if you have Putty's like a telnet client, it works with that too. So if I go to D drive apps, Putty, localhost, port 23, telnet, hit open. There you go, telnet client, and there it goes. But it doesn't have that 5-second thing because that's part of my client program. It's not part of the server yet. Then I'm gonna make a heartbeat thing that kind of makes it, send a packet every 5 seconds. So anyway, password, you can type in test, nothing happens. 1, 2, 3, nothing happens. But then if you type in 1337, hey, you logged in successfully. Awesome. And then enter, give out a command. If you hit A, nothing. B, nothing. Test, hello there. And then get wrecked, nothing. Or good nothing. And then P, whatever. I think I made an exit command. Oh no, that's on the client. That's not here on the server. Okay, yep. So anyway, yeah, I hope that answered your question there, Noloth. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Error. Crap. That sucks. That is totally something I want to look into. It worked until that very end part, dude, and then something happened. But I'm just not there yet to debug or anything yet. Okay. What am I gonna do? Fanboy, man, thanks for the music. Much appreciate it. Where am I going with all my thoughts? I don't know. I know that I have to... Okay, so I separated these things out. So state object is now this thing. And then I made this like server command data. But I'm just thinking I might throw that into the state object. Like this. Yeah. What if I do this? who knows? I mean, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna delete the server command data for now. Oh, is that the right one? Oh gosh, I'm just gonna... No, don't hit it blindly. Look at it. Server command data. Yes, this is the right one. Bye-bye. Man, that permanently delete thing right away. Come on, there's gotta be like a recycle bin when you delete this thing. There's no way you want to delete something permanently straight from your IDE. Gosh, it's been an hour already, guys. It's crazy. All right, let's get this started, okay? And we're gonna get this started by on the receive command. So wherever we're receiving, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna say, okay, if bytes transfer is greater than 0, means we actually received something. So this is what I'm gonna do first. E dot I'm thinking of how this works. So this append command gets a string out of this. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do all of that. Not yet, at least. But where's the data live? Data lives in buffer offset bytes read. Offset bytes read. Okay, 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 okay. I think I know what I need to do. So we got the buffer. So this is what we're going to say. If data, if state dot buffer at state dot offset equals command list dot heartbeat. I gotta convert it, right? Don't mind me, I'm being crazy. If state dot command type is equal to command list dot null, which means we don't know what command we're doing yet. We're gonna have to decide what command we're doing. Okay, so state buffer, state offset. Let's go ahead and even do one better. Let's just say command list. Is there like a size or something? I guess not. If I did like size of command list, is that a legitimate thing? Like if I said if this was greater than 2, would you work? Ah, yeah, I guess so, huh? Cool. Alright. So first I gotta see that. Get the first byte. So the byte command equals, we'll call this command packet. I know that's what I called it in the other place, and I know that's kind of weird. You like that GIF, huh? Alright. So that command packet, right? It's gonna be state.buffer, that what I'm writing down there, state.offset. Cool. So that is the command. So first we're just gonna say if command packet is greater than or equal to size of, scratch that. If it's less than size of command list, then we can start processing. Otherwise, it's some kind of bogus command that we're not worried about. So So easy. Then we just say state.command. What am I doing? State.command type? Yeah, equals command packet as command list. Okay, this is going to be harder. So we're going to say just convert this to an int32 and then use that whole thing as a command list. Right? Really? You won't do that for me. Why won't it do that for me? Someone help me. Cast byte into enum. Anyone? Anyone out there? Oh, C#. Yeah. Really? Does it have to be that long? Ugh. I'm cheating. I'm making it an int. And then I'm just going to convert to int32. Awesome. And then I'm just going to say command list. I'm going to say command packet as command list. Even better. Command list. What now? Awesome. Alright. A lot of casting and craziness. Stupid network stuff. Can't just easily pass things that I wanted to do. I don't know why I'm so lazy, man. I just am. It's not lazy, it's efficient, right? Alright, so let's hurry up and get this. So we got this, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is just say state dot offset plus plus. Else do this. Okay. I'm feeling pretty good. I don't know why I'm putting this into a string like this, so I'm going to take that out. Okay. We got to do one more thing here. If, and we can do this outside of this. Sorry, just thought about it. All right. If command list, what am I thinking? If state.command type equals command list dot heartbeat. Don't do anything for now. Or do we do something? I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna say, hey, put it on the console for now. Console.writeLine heartbeat. Heartbeat received. Okay, that's pretty nice. Oh my gosh. I'm editing the wrong file. Really? Really? Alright. No big loss, just damn it. Well, okay. It's not the end of the world, just kinda sucks though. Alright, we'll just call this backup client because we didn't edit this at all. Yeah, dude, you're working hard on your London Dare stuff, dude. So how did that turn out, man? Do you have like a working copy? I'm gonna keep going with the original file. Like I'm messing with the parent class, and that sucks. I was doing all these like customizations on it, and this is totally the parent class. Yeah, dude, shoot up a link. I don't know if Nightbot will block it or not. Let me see. I'm the moderator, so if I try to do something, it'll work, right? How do I mod you, man? Maybe that will help. Do I just like say mod Bam Boy 360? I guess not. I tried. Oh, it lets you put it up there. Yeah, let me take a quick one, however long this video is, or... Is it okay I put it up here, man? I hope it is. Alright. So right, the theme was 2-button controls are growing. The more you arm. Sorry, I'm reading the comments first. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the Windows. And I'll put this virus on my computer. The more you arm. Yeah, this will give me a good like 2-minute break from what I'm trying to do. Oh, come on, Google. I guess I should have just put the download progress here. Oh. It was saying, it was telling me exactly what I was just joking about on the download. It's like, hey, this has executables in it. Do you want to download it? Did it finally go? The more you arm. So you built this all in Unity, right? Which is great. Oh my gosh, look at my freaking download folder. I need to clean that up. The more you arm. Unity! Alright, let's see if I can get that full screen experience. Yeah. Alright, click to start. Will do. Oh, fancy. Fancy schmancy. That's pretty smooth, man. Alright, so what is the dream? Can I eat the dream? Football. Om om om. Hey, oh, nice little power-up effect thing. Alright, so this TV, man, how do I just turn it on? I know that's the goal, right? I gotta turn on this TV. I'm right here. I should just be able to turn it on. Alright, so, okay, the door, you can go, your hand can go through the door, go through here. Oh gosh, I can't reach behind my house. Okay. The ball. Raw. Nom, 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 nom. Oh. Wait, I can go through this doorway, but I can't go behind this tree. What's up with that? Oh, is that a hidden ball? I see it. Wait, I see the hidden ball. Why can't I get that hidden ball? Yeah, I hope they come up with a good way to put like WebGL and Unity together. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I like the corners. That one must have been interesting to do, right? The corners of the arm. Blah. That's pretty cool. That's my favorite so far. The bending of the arm around things. Yeah, because that makes perfect sense that the tree grows baseballs. I guess you can only grab the fully grown baseballs. Oh, check this part out. I haven't seen this part. So I guess the more things I grab, the longer my arm can extend. Is that what's going on? Let's see. Oh, is that right? It's just line render? That's awesome. Oh wait, I kind of remember something from your stream. Oh no, why would I eat him? There's no reason to eat that guy. Bamboy, man, this is a great game, dude. How would you consider putting this like on a mobile platform? Let's see. Oh, come on, my arm can go that high. Alright. Let's go grab some more stuff. I saw football up there. Can I just go over everything? Is that fine? I don't feel like going through everything. Yeah, you're right, dude. I wouldn't know how to even do this in a mobile platform, but it's cool. It feels good on the PC. +1 length. What would give me like +10 length? So I can finish this. I just want to see the end. If there is an end. Oh, I'm so close to seeing what's over there. So is this all like in an update loop? Like the extension? Like it slowly extends towards your mouse? I'm thinking so, right? Just eating all the sky balls. Alright, probably have to get back to programming in just a bit here, but I'm going to finish this up. What's the cheat code? What do I type to make this finish quickly? Should always have cheat codes in your games. Oh, come on, I'm so close. I think. I mean, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Oh, is that right? Arm? Very nice, dude. You are the master. I'm gonna see if I can reach it. If not, I'll go ahead and type that in. Oh, arm. Ah, I cheated. Nice, dude. Very cool. Ooh, even fade the black. Very nice. There we go. Achieve the dream. A+R. Love it. Cool, man. It looks like you got good feedback on the website too, so that's very nice, man. Congrats. Congrats on finishing something and submitting it. Alright, Yeah, it's getting late. It's been an hour and 25 minutes. Let me go ahead and see if I can finish this up. So if I get a heartbeat command, I will do a right line of heartbeat. Else we have, I'll say else if state.command type equals command list.telnet. Do these things and then start receiving again. Is that what I want to do? Oh, and here we go. We're gonna have to say state.command type equals null. Not null, command list.null. And same thing here. Oops. It's the actual assignment this time. Alright. So what am I doing now? We got the heartbeat, we got the telnet. Alright, here's one thing I want to do. Pass in a state object. Alright, so I'm going to say if you're equal to null, make a new object, otherwise just give me the same object. Yeah, that works. Okay. Phew. Oh, but am I pushing this back? Because, okay, I'm obviously popping something out of here. Basically, am I doing a pull.push anywhere around here? Nope. Let's go ahead and push this back in. At least before the receives. Yeah, I don't even know really. Alright, I put a whole bunch of complicated code here. If it's a heartbeat, console.write heartbeat. Otherwise, just do a regular telnet command. Gosh, how do I test this now? Oh, and the other thing, when I send something, how do I say it's a telnet command? That's the other thing I gotta do. Alright, send, right quick. When we're about to send something, when do we send something? Oh, and I need to do something. Public void send. Can't just be a string message. We also gotta send a command. Command list. Command. Yep, let's abstract this a little bit. Public command send. So we have the command list, and then we also have the a string. And you're gonna just be data. Okay. So our mission here is to do just this. So we're gonna return, not return, send this byte data. Okay. But for the command, we can just say, oh gosh, how do we convert this again? We did this a million times already. We're gonna command as, no, convert to byte, command And then we're just going to say a byte array. We'll say bytes equal new byte array of one certain byte. And then we can just say send bytes. Alright. Instead of byte data, it's just going to be data. That is perfect. Alright, great. Whew. So we got to send command and a send message. So that's nice. So let's go to our program. And let's go to our client program. Client send commandless telnet. So now we send three different things. We send, hey, I'm about to send you a telnet command. Here's my command, and here's a new line. Okay, so that is the client program. Gosh, will that work? Who knows? Oh, my ears are killing me. But the music's so good. Alright. I need some sleep. Need to get to bed soon. Alright. I got a long day tomorrow. I'm gonna go watch Star Wars tomorrow. I'm excited about it. Okay. It's 10:20 p.m. and I'm tired and I'm old. I think I'm just gonna run it. I know there's gonna be a whole bunch of errors when I do it, but oh, you know what? And it's still running the telnet server, so this is really gonna do me no good right now. Oh, hurry up and build, please. So I can close you. And I can go to the main, where's client program? Here it is. Client program, not what I'm interested in. Program. I'm interested in you. I'm interested in you guys. Alright, so client program, what are you doing? You make a new client. Oh, and that's the one I edited, unfortunately. But that means I don't have to do anything new on the client. Alright, server program. What am I doing here? Ah, we are not making a telnet server. Let's make a command server. Command server. Okay. Fanboy with this. Alright, let's see what that does. So now I made a command server and that client server. So it's going to build, take some time, do its thing. And the second one I'm going to actually debug. Maybe I should truly debug it, like have some breakpoints in here. So in client, when I whatever. I don't need to. I'm just crash it right away. Server. Okay, it's still waiting connection, so that's good. Client. Nice. I think. Oh lord. I don't think my server's receiving anything. And I'm not receiving anything. No! Alright. And let me stop this. It's a very annoying 5 seconds have passed thing. So that's under program, I think. Yeah, right here. Not too worried about this right now. Alright, so we're able to connect. We send 3 things at a time, but I didn't receive anything right away. So let's see what's going on there. So when I'm clients, when I receive something, yeah, let's debug. Let's debug right here. Okay, so I'm debugging. So this first one's going to be the server, so I hit Control F5, server. Not too worried about that one right now. This is the one. This could be my client. So here we go, client. Okay. So obviously I connect it, and then the server sent me 57 bytes, and now I'm looking at what it sent me. So it sent me E. I don't know what it sent me. It sent me some crap that I can't do anything with. I mean, you can see it's a whole bunch of like letters and stuff, but you see, I really need this first thing to be the command, like 01 or 02. So it's, the server's not sending me what I want it to send me. So we know that now, which is good. So let's go take a look at our server. Command server. Oh, let me just close a whole bunch of stuff out. Close all but this, and close and get my server, my command server up here. Okay. Okay, cool. So right here, there we go. We already see that there's a send, but we didn't actually send the command. So we can say client socket here, and command. This could be a command list.telnet command. So okay, that's good. Some debugging actually helped there. So let's go ahead and Control F5, make a server. I should have my breakpoint still, so let's play this. And hit client. Here we go. Alright, so let's take a look at E. E in the buffer. Okay, that looks good. That says 2. So hopefully if I go F10, F10, command does equal null. I'm going to close this buffer. In fact, I'm just close this whole thing. F10, command packet. Yep, command packet's 2. It's less than size of command list. Yeah, because it's 3. I was like, wait, that makes no sense, but I forgot null was one of them. Alright, so state.command type is now telnet. Yep, offset plus plus. And was it a heartbeat? Nope. Was it telnet? Yes. Append. Receive. Command type equals null now. And push that back and start receiving again. Oh, amazing. I'm just going to continue. So, awesome. Look at that. I was able to get my telnet command. Now I'm going to type in something. Oh, now something else is screwed up. So that worked. That came up, but now this is all screwed up. It's not set. You're not receiving correctly. So, okay. Good to know. Here's our server. When we receive, I don't think I'm doing anything special, right? I'm just... I'm just trying to think here. I wonder if I'm confusing it. Alright, I'm gonna come here. This is gonna be my server. Nope. I lied. Cancel. Play. No! I'm still not doing this right. Alright, Control F5. This is my client. This is what I'm debugging. My server. Alright, so my client connects. Here we go. I'm listening once. I'm listening twice. I don't want to listen twice. Don't want to listen twice. That is definitely legitimate. Alright, I'm going to cheat here. All I'm going to do is just get one of these event args. So basically I stole the function, and I'm just not going to have a callback on this one. So I don't basically have to run that. Oh, but I really should have a callback. Okay. Damn it, man. Okay. Let's just do something dumb. Private void command send callback, and it's just gonna be like the other one. Except I don't need the I don't need to do the receive. That's all I got. That's the only difference here. So e dot complete it plus equals send. I'm sorry. Give me a sec here. Command send callback, and then here e dot complete it minus equals command send callback, and hey, I know this song. This is Castles in the Sky. Send callback. Okay. Command send callback. Send callback. Unsubscribe from there. Always on your callbacks, you gotta make sure you're unsubscribing. And I see I'm not doing. Why am I not doing that? E dot complete it minus equals receive callback. Alright. Very important on all your callbacks to unsubscribe from your event. Definitely will cause errors in your program. Okay, cool. I should totally make sure I do remaining minus minus too. That was my bad. But that seems to be working okay. Man. Oh, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. It receives the whole thing together on this one. And that's okay. But why? Why do you receive the whole thing together here? This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this into the if loop. Alright, if you are command heartbeat, great. Else if state dot no, not even that. If e bytes transferred equals 1, basically just receive the command, go ahead and start receiving again. How do you receive? Receive, and just use this state and then return. Get out of here. Is there anything else I need to run? Oh, don't forget to pull that push. I think that's it. Okay. Gosh, I know I just did some weirdness. It's something to do with this code. I know right here something's just wrong, but it's okay. I think I might have fixed it for now. What I'm doing is I have a pool of event arguments, and because I don't want to have to create them over and over. I don't want to create a new instance over and over again, so I just have a pool of them. And then I just kind of take them out and put them back in. Server, client. All right, errors, love it. There's one more thing I think I should do here. State.reset. So that shouldn't affect the command. Alright, so we can close all of this. I'm very tired, but I know all the errors happen right here. And I will fix them before I go to bed. Oh, thank God. Oh, no. Yeah. Alright, so I got the first thing to work, but now the second part is not working. Surprise, surprise. Yoshi! Command, the data, and I forgot. Oh, carriage return. So Who's failing here? I think you're just not receiving afterwards. Alright. No problem, no problem. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to call it a night. My mind is just a big blur. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and commit this stuff. So let's go to my working copy. So here we go. This is started working on a different kind of server that would take heartbeat or telnet commands. Still waiting on telnet commands. Still working just to make telnet commands work again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something to do with receive on server and send on client. I think it's just a receive logic on both server and client. What else? Yeah, dude, I am so excited about tomorrow, man. I can't wait. Alright. Anything else I need to do? I'm just too tired. I worked myself to death, I guess. Alright, everybody. Until next time, I'll stream. I'm not going to stream tomorrow because of Star Wars. I'm not going to stream on Friday because I'm working graduation. Maybe Saturday evening or early Saturday morning. Somewhere around there. When I say early, maybe like 8 or 9. I don't know. Depends what my schedule looks like. Alright. Bye, guys. Until next time. And Bamboy, thank you for the music. I have pockets. Something about the pool. Yeah, thank you for that. And, and everyone else that watched, cool. Thanks, y'all. Bye.